Namaskar to all onion growing farmers. I am Sachin Pawar from Harit Panya Agro Organics and Microbax India Limited, which is a leading company in India. This company is known for making biofertilizers and biopesticides based on the probiotics concept and is a pioneer in the field of microbial fertilizers and microbial based organic pesticides.
The planting of early onion or summer onion has started in some places. In some areas, it is already completed, while in others, it is yet to be done or preparations are underway.
Onion production in Maharashtra is an important cash crop. It is a cash crop that provides good returns to the farmers. And while getting this, three things are important. Among them is nutrition, crop protection and shelf life. These three aspects are essential. These need to be fulfilled. For that, the important product is produced by Microbax. What has been made available is the Onion Kit or Microbax. The Onion Kit contains a combination of 4 different types of beneficial bacteria. It is a set of 4 products brought together. The aim of combining these 3 products is to address the needs of onion crops, namely crop protection, crop nutrition, and crop yield. This kit is a complete solution to fulfill all these requirements. When farmers use it during the initial stage, that is, if it is applied from 10 days after planting up to 50 days, then all 3 essential aspects required for onion production are fulfilled. It contains 4 different types of life forms. The first among them is the nitrogen-fixing bacteria, which absorb nitrogen from the air and make it available to the roots in the required form, right near the roots. It makes it available. The second is in production, Vetrax Gold, which is a concentrate of nitrogen, phosphorus and potash. This is available in the market from various companies, but there is a difference between this and that. What I want to specifically tell you is that the microbial broth present in this, that is, the various enzymes and vitamin E present in the bioblock, is a combined mixture of various biostimulants like gibberellin, so that it works for the growth and life of the roots, or what we call white roots. These white roots are very important in onion crops. The better the white roots, the better the crop. It is believed that the more white roots there are, the higher the yield, or the better the quality of the produce. These white roots absorb the maximum amount of nutrients and provide nourishment to the plant. The third aspect of production is this. Microphos, which is an APSB, contains phosphorus solubilizing bacteria or PSB, and it has 20 crore bacteria per gram. Phosphorus is an important element. You already know the importance of this element. Phosphorus is responsible for disease resistance, nutrient production, and thirdly, pest control. In the early stages of crop growth, there is often an outbreak of downy mildew. This is mostly due to a deficiency of phosphorus. If there is no phosphorus deficiency, then downy mildew will not occur, or it will be controlled quickly. The second thing is about nitrogen and phosphorus, these two. If there is a balance of these elements, then the infestation of pests will be reduced. There are some pests that cause a lot of trouble in the crop, like the crushing pests. So that means thrips, mites, or all these problems occur mainly due to the excessive use of nitrogen or when too much nitrogen is applied, which leads to excessive vegetative growth and as a result an increase in pest infestation. But if along with that the amount of phosphorus is given properly and if a balance between nitrogen and phosphorus is maintained, then the infestation of these pests is reduced. So the sprays we need or the incidence of pests and diseases that affect our crops is reduced. The third and fourth important component among these is a parasitic fungus called trichoderma, which helps control various types of fungal diseases that attack our crops. It protects our crops. This group of 4 products includes Microbax, Orion, Ketak, Microbax and Kanda Kit J. You should definitely try using them once. What is the method of application? Because for many years it has been observed that what kind of drip irrigation is used on onion crops. Micro irrigation is not provided. Because of drip irrigation, the method of application becomes difficult. There is a drip system there. The simple method commonly used everywhere is to mix all 4 products together and release them through the drip system. But where there is no drip irrigation, people mix some of the products together, send it, and you can use either the furrow irrigation method or the other method. The way to do this is to mix all 4 products in either 200 liters of water or 50 liters of water. At the bottom, fit a simple tap and start giving water from the mouth of a 12 mm pipe. If you start giving water slowly at first, this method allows the product to spread throughout the entire field along with the irrigation water, and it can give you good results. Our goal is that the product should reach every corner of each 12-acre field, and this method fulfills that requirement. The third method is that you can apply it using a backpack sprayer. Just like you use a sprayer, you can take 200 or 400 liters of water as needed, mix the required amount of this product, and then spray it evenly on the soil using the backpack sprayer. While spraying, one thing to keep in mind is that unlike when we spray other chemicals on the crop, on the leaves or fruits, here you have to ensure that most of it reaches the soil. Also, there is a fourth method. When pesticides are used in onion crops, this kit can also be given along with the pesticide. A solution of the pesticide is prepared. In that solution, you have to mix the kit's 4 products together. And just like we apply herbicide, you have to apply it on the crop in the same way. In all these 4 methods, you can use this product. There's no specific right time to apply this as such, because the way this works is by converting the chemical fertilizers you have given into a nutrient solution and making it available to the plant. It works to make nutrients accessible to the plant. So whenever you apply it, it will be beneficial. However, while applying it, it is needed if given during the early stages of any crop. That requirement is fully met. That means if this kit is given within 10 to 50 days after transplantation during the initial period, its results have been observed to be very good. You must have understood the method of giving this, the timing for it, and the quantity to be given. 1 kilo of the kit has to be given per acre. 1 kit per acre is sufficient. That is, it is enough for 1 acre of onions. It is beneficial, and this is a complete kit that fully meets all 3 needs of onion nutrition, protection and storage. By fulfilling these requirements, it helps farmers increase their yield and profit.